Did you know that American kestrels are the only bird of prey capable of hovering? If a suitable perch isn't available, American kestrels will hover above an open field. Facing into the wind, they flap their wings and use their tails to hold their position. But they can't flap their wings fast enough to do it alone. They rely on flying into the wind to give them lift. From above, kestrels watch for insects, small mammals, and reptiles, which they overtake and capture. For more, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Michael Evans, Windsor, Ontario.